Hi everyone, in my previous video I have demonstrated how out-of-the-box available actionable notifications work in ServiceNow, but in this video I am going to demonstrate how we can configure custom actionable notifications where we can give certain options to the person receiving the notification, for example resolving a ticket or doing something else from the chat menu itself. So the scenario which I'm going to consider for this video is when a person working on the ticket puts the ticket in, let's say, awaiting caller state, then caller receives a notification with a resolve option where if the caller clicks on the resolve button, then the ticket will be automatically resolved. So let's just navigate directly to the provider notifications and configure one of them. So here is the provider notification. Click on new. Let's give a name notify caller. Table is obviously incident. Yes. It will be triggered on update and state is on hold and on hold reason is awaiting caller, and the person who should receive the notification is the caller of the ticket, and now submit it. So this record is created. Now let's add some content to it. So I'm going to click on the provider content and give some content to my notification. It will be a record card, then incident number, short description, and let's include assigned to. And additional comments as well. I think this should be fine for now, and I'm going to give a message over here. Ticket is by you, is awaiting your response, something like that. Okay, so let's submit this one as well. Now this is only 40% of the work done so far. I have not configured the button anywhere which will be available for the caller to click on it and resolve the ticket. So let's go to notification actions. I'm going to click on new provider action, virtual agent, and this is the place where all those things will be configured. And here in this topic list I need to select a particular topic which will run in the backend and finish the job. So as of now there is no such topic which is available which can complete the job, so I will have to navigate to the designer of virtual agent, and we can finish it later on. So if I filter by ITSM actionable notifications, so there are these couple of topics already available for us out of the box, which we can use in whatever way we want to use them. So for now, let me utilize this resolve incident topic, and I am going to duplicate this one, and I gave it a name, resolve incident custom. Let me just save this one. I don't want to make any changes over here because it's a very simple demo, and once it is saved, I can publish the topic as well. And the topic is now active. Now let me go back to my provider notification, which I just configured. Notify caller is the name. And now if I go to notification actions, I will be able to select the topic which I have just configured. Resolve the ticket, open this, and here's my topic, resolve incident custom. If I select this one and submit, my notification is configured now, and let's test it now. So this is the user system administrator who configured all the changes. Now let me log in with the person who has a ticket assigned to him by some other person, and he's working on that ticket, and he needs some information from the caller, and he just puts the ticket into a waiting caller state by adding a comment, and let's see how it goes from there. So I'm logged in as Jatin now, and this is the ticket assigned to him. If I click on this ticket and open the form, so these are the comments which Jatin added last time, and it was confirmed by the caller. Now he wants some other information, or maybe he wants to convey the idea that it is deployed, something like that. This might not be the very genuine case. I'm just taking an example of when a ticket is put into a waiting caller state and a notification is triggered. That's it. So let me save this ticket, and a notification should be received in the Microsoft Teams. So in Microsoft Teams, I'm logged in as Harshad. So the first notification that is received is the one which is available out of the box, where a user can send a response on top of an existing comment by clicking on send reply. And this is the notification which we just configured. Ticket is by user awaiting your response. This notification is received by the caller. and here are the details, incident, short description, assigned to, and the additional comments. Okay, and here is the option to resolve the ticket which is available. So if the caller clicks on this particular button, then the ticket will be automatically received in the backend. So here we have also received one more notification because the state of the ticket has changed. This is also out of the box available to us. And since there is an action pending on our end, this notification came into the front again so that caller can take appropriate action on it and it is not lost because of some other notification in between. So let me just click on it and see if our ticket gets resolved in the backend or not. So virtual agent says that this ticket is resolved, and if I go back to the ticket, you can see that the ticket is already resolved now. So this was one way, and we can do a couple of more things. This is what I have utilized using the out of the box topic flow which was already available to us. But apart from this, we can also create our own topic flows and use them as per our own convenience based on the process we need in our organization, and a lot is possible. So thank you for watching, stay safe and take care, and don't forget to subscribe.